This is the resignation letter from the original prosecutor on the Stephen Morrison murder case. When you zoom in on the date, it's January 22nd, effective immediately.
In this particular case, our office observed problems with a 20-year veteran prosecutor. We immediately took actions. A new prosecutor was assigned. That prosecutor did a fabulous job. Reached out to the victim's family, got the case indicted well before the hearing on the motion to reduce bond.
But not in enough time to have Morrison stay in jail. In Texas, if the state isn't ready for trial in 90 days, a judge must reduce the suspect's bond or release them. Travis County District Attorney's Office still had 9 business days to present this case to a grand jury after the resignation of the original prosecutor, but failed to do so.
Did they just not have it on the calendar then, that it needed to be the 90 days?
Well, as I said, we had challenges with a prosecutor. We took action. That prosecutor is no longer with us. The newly assigned prosecutor immediately got to work, did all of the work that it takes to get a case indicted, and did that on the 91st day.
Morrison's attorney requested his client be released. A judge reduced Morrison's bond from $800,000 to $100. Morrison was able to bond out.
The judge in this case had the tools to keep our community safe and failed to use those tools.
After receiving scrutiny online, including from Texas Governor Greg Abbott, the DA's office requested the judge to increase the bond amount. In a hearing last month, the judge increased it to $100,000 and Morrison was taken back to jail.
We're grateful that he's back in custody.
The DA clarified for Fox 7 after we discovered the discrepancy. About a month before the 90-day deadline for this case, we encountered management challenges with the prosecutor in charge of this case. We demoted her and she resigned the next day. A new prosecutor, returning from parental leave, took over that case. There was about a week gap between the prior prosecutor's resignation and the second prosecutor's return. The new prosecutor quickly identified the case nearing the deadline, contacted the victim's family, scheduled a grand jury presentation, and successfully indicted the case on the 91st day.